Let me tell you, future is the opportunity for everybody, especially the opportunity for young people, because we have nothing to lose. This is what I tell myself 18 years ago. Don't worry about the future. Prepare for the future. Make your own future. You shouldn't worry about when you graduate. How can you make a living? How can you do something that is different? How can you do something that is fun, interesting, and helping others? By the way, don't believe that technology is going to take away human beings' jobs. Technology is going to replace a lot of stupid jobs. A lot of companies worry about losing jobs. But electricity created so many jobs. Artificial intelligence, they will create more jobs. The problem is next 20, 30 years may lose a lot of jobs, but this is short period. So we people have to learn how we can survive in the artificial intelligence period. By the way, why human being can win machines? Machines, they might be stronger than human being. They might be smarter than human being. They might be run faster than human being, but they can never be as wise as human beings. Because human being, we have belief, we have a religion, we have a heart, which machine does not have. So, if you want to be ready for future, please do not follow yesterday's way of learning and teaching. Do not try to memorize things hard and more, because computer can remember things hard and more than you. Do not try to calculate faster, because computer can calculate much faster than you do. So try to be creative. Try to be innovative. Try to be constructive. Everything you learn, you think about, is this thing can make me more creative? Is this thing can make me more innovative? If this thing can make me more constructive, let's do it. You should know nobody will and nobody can stop this technology revolution. You worry, it comes. You don't worry, it comes. So what's the point of worry?